Feeling under the weather? These home remedies might just do the trick. Let's dive in. First up, honey and lemon tea. Mix a tablespoon of honey and a squeeze of lemon in warm water. It's soothing and helps fight that nasty cough. Next, steam inhalation. Boil some water, pour it into a bowl, and lean over with a towel over your head. Inhale deeply. The steam helps clear your nasal passages. Third, saltwater gargle. Mix half a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water and gargle. It can ease a sore throat and reduce inflammation. Lastly, don't forget to stay hydrated. Drink plenty of fluids like water, herbal teas, or broths. It keeps you hydrated and helps flush out toxins. Remember, these remedies can help, but always listen to your body and get professional advice if needed. Stay healthy and keep those colds at bay.